What's up, guys? Your favorite chef, Chef Thomas. And I know it's been a while. It's been a couple months. But we back.
Lifestyles of the rich and famous.
What you laughing at?
While I'm rich and famous.
Been having a lot going on, y'all. A lot of transitions, a lot of changes. But as you can see, I'm working on my website right now. You know, getting a couple of menus put together, things of that sort. Watching on the YouTube video right here. But yeah, man, your boy been working. So guys, we on Beaufort Highway here at Salsa Taqueria. It's a food mart inside of a gas station. So Beaufort Highway is very, very, very big for having, you know, a lot of great Hispanic food. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm wearing my my own clothing brand right now. Billionaire Company. This is the Keeping Dreamers Inspired collection. I'm wearing just a hoodie right now because it's a little warm, but you know, it's that weather outside to where, you know, it's dope to have on, you know, a hoodie and some shorts. So guys, I've been working on the computer all freaking day. And that's one thing that a lot of the, you know, chefs and business owners don't really speak on. A lot of the behind the scenes work that they do. You see a lot of the glamour work that, you know, that we tend to do. But the behind the scenes work is really what keeps your business going. You know, like checking your emails, creating content for, you know, for you to post each and every day. So, you know, those are the things that really help your business go to the next level. Watching this video right now, make sure you like this video right now. Click that like button right now. If you're watching this video, make sure you comment below. Let me know where y'all watching from. I want to know where all my subscribers are tuned in from. All right, guys, so I got these burrito tacos. As you can see, we got the beef, we got the cheese, we got the consomme. Got the hot sauce. You know you gotta have the hot sauce. We got the beans, the refried beans. Like, cannot go wrong with the refried beans. Oh, they gave me black beans. She gave me the wrong ones, but I'm still finna eat it.
I'ma eat it.
Oh yeah. Good.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
You know I like it spicy. So you're gonna take it in the consomme. You know I'm finna dip it. Guys, I thought I was gonna be cooking today. Well, I ain't gonna cook nothing. I went and got me another plate. I got me some rice with the cilantro on top. They gotta have that good old cilantro for that fresh flavor. Cilantro is one of my favorite fresh herbs. All right, so we got the shrimp joint. Bust that over. Oh no, this shrimp. I said shrimp. I meant beef. We got the beef. I'm gonna just dip it in this consomme because I used all my hot sauce. Nah, ain't nothing like street food. Street food or local gas station food. Just authentic style food, period. It's just fire. So, as you can see, stuff, the food is good, as always. Can't never go wrong with some tacos on Taco Tuesday. Washed it down with that body armor. R.I.P. to Kobe. But it's to top off this wonderful Taco Tuesday. We're about to go get some sweets. So we're gonna go to Cinnaholic. They do vegan cinnamon rolls, and you can top them with whatever toppings that you want. So, come on, let's go. So guys, as you can see, I got all my catering stuff in the back seat of my car, and my car gets real dirty. So, just about to run it through a little car wash real quick.
Who are you talking to, me?
Nah, I'm on YouTube. I'm recording for my. So guys, we're in one of my favorite spots right now to grab desserts. We in Cinnaholic. They got a plethora of locations, and they pretty much just do vegan cinnamon rolls. They do vegan treats, period. Like, it's so dope. Like, if you're a vegan and you like desserts, you should definitely try them out for sure. Alright guys, so I got my Cinnaholic. Oh my God, y'all see that? Vegan cinnamon roll with the Oreo crumbles on top. And we got the strawberry frosting. And just for the hell of it, I went and bought 2K. You know, just for the hell of it.
Lifestyles of the rich and famous.
What you laughing at?
Well, I'm rich and famous.